Hello, welcome back, my dear students of class 9th. Dear student, I am Rajendra Iyer, biology teacher from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear student, today topic is that is taken from the chapter 3, food resources. And food resources means improvement in food resources. Food resources are there in the nature that is available from the sources of the plants and from the sources of the animals. But we need to improve them because our population is increasing day by day. Nowadays, our population is around 140, around 140 crore of the population that is existing in India. And also, although we are on our foot regarding the production of the agriculture crop, production of the food from the animal resource, production of the food from the other resources, but it needs a continuous, a sustainable growth. And as far as the history is concerned, in our country, first of all, green revolution was there, blue revolution was there. Green revolution means improvement in the agriculture production. Blue revolution means improvement in the fish production. White revolution, improvement in the milk production. Golden revolution, improvement in the oils production. So there are so many revolutions were there at that time, which was helped us for the achieving the target of the food production in our country. My dear student, in 2020, our population was stand at 134 crore and the requirement of the food was 240 million tons. So, if we produce more than 240 million ton of the food in our country, then we will be able to export or donate some of the food quantity to other countries, those who are suffering from scarcity of the food, like African countries, South American countries. Different countries are there, they are facing the scarcity of the food in their country. And as far as since food is the prime requirement of ourselves and all the animals, that is why this chapter, the elaboration, the explanation of this chapter is very necessary so that you can learn that how in the adverse situations, how you will get the food if scarcity is there anywhere. Then you have to be trained in this field, in the field of the agriculture, in the field of the animal husbandry, in the field of the poultry, in the field of the apiculture, etc., etc. And this chapter will be able to elaborate to you, explain to you about all the technical aspects of the food production. Number one, we are taking the number one topic, that is the crop. So we are starting from the number one section, that is the crop, and it is directly related to the agriculture field. My dear student, for the crop and crop production, one man who was M.S. Swaminathan, he was the director of ICAR, Indian Council of Agriculture Research, and he contributed so many things. He contributed so many contributions regarding the different revolutions, as you uh, listen, as you have listened here. And the food grain, that is the green revolution, milk, that is the white revolution, pulses, that was the golden revolution, oil, that was the yellow revolution. Pulses was the golden revolution, oil yellow revolution, and fishes are blue revolution. These are the revolution for the availability of the food. And now come to the crop production. In this chapter, in this topic, apiculture is a profession. Apiculture in the crop production, apiculture, that is the side job of the crop field. If crop field is not utilizing to produce the crops, then that field may be utilized in the apiculture. And we all know that our economy is based on the agriculture. Different culture, agriculture, apiculture, aquaculture. Aquaculture means the rearing and caring of the fishes. And before 1960, in our country, there was the food scarcity. There was a time during the 1665 war, that is around the 1950 to 1970. This was the very crucial time, and at that time there was war in between the India and Pakistan, in the leadership of our Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri. And at that time, USA was donating us, USA, Australia, they were donating us the wheat. That wheat was the hybrid wheat. We are getting food from the other countries. And during the war, there was a situation that America stopped, USA stopped food supply to us. America told that you stop the war, otherwise I will stop the supply. Our Prime Minister told to our countrymen for the fasting of at least one day in a week. And our countrymen, our people of India, followed the instruction of the Prime Minister, and इस प्रकार से लोगों ने उपवास रखा, और उपवास रखने का नतीजा ये हुआ कि हमारे पास धीरे धीरे 2-3 साल के अंदर जो है फूड की, और एट दैट टाइम द रेवोल्यूशन वाज देयर इन आवर कंट्री in the field of the crop production by developing the HYV, high yielding variety seeds, by the development of the development in our industry, so that we were able to produce the so much chemical fertilizer. Irrigation facilities was there, that was the improved, and by improving these facilities, our country was able to stand itself on its own foot in the crop production. Some data are there, my dear student, that cereals was 203 million ton, pulses 16 million ton, vegetables 60 million tons, roots and tubers 30 million tons, fruits 40 million tons, edible oil 9 million ton, meat 4.7 million ton, poultry meat 0.55 million ton, fishes 3.2 million ton, milk 77 million ton, and aquaculture, that is the 2 million ton. So this was the current situation. It was the current situation. Recently the data is taken, and total production is, that is 355, 356 plus 88. So 356 plus 88 means around 450. That is around 450 million ton of the crop production, of the food production in our country nowadays. This is the current situation. So as far as the crops are concerned, crops are of different types. Cereals, number one, cereals. In the cereals, wheat, bajra, jowar, maize, rice, these type of the crops extensively produced in Punjab, Haryana, UP, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal, and Assam, Odisha, etc. And these cereals are widely used in so many states of our country. Now come to pulses. As far as pulses are concerned, the pulses are arhar, gram, peanut, and moong. These are the pulses which provide protein to us. Cereals provide starch, carbohydrate, fat to us, and oil seeds provide fat to us, that is mustard, cotton seed, groundnut, sunflower, soybean, and coconut. These kind of the crops produce oil for our food requirement. Vegetables like potato, tomato, brinjal, cabbage, carrot, cauliflower, ladyfinger, and groundnut, etc. Fruits like banana, mango, orange, apple, pineapple, lemon, etc. These are the variety of the different types of the crops which we are producing in our country. Dear student, as far as the components of the foods are concerned, wheat provide carbohydrate, rice provide carbohydrate that is present in wheat, rice, jowar, bajra, potato, tuber, rhizome, beetroot and vegetables. Fat that is present in groundnut, vegetable oil, animal fat from meat and other sources. As far as proteins are concerned, protein sources are milk, egg, meat, fish, bean, pulses, groundnut, peas, etc. As far as minerals are concerned, several fruits are there: green leafy vegetable, beans, dry fruits, almond, seaweeds, liver, egg and seafood. You know seafood included the prawn, crab. These are the marine animals. They are living in the sea and they termed as the seafood. So coastal area people, they utilizing these kind of the seafoods. Dear student, how can we improve the yield of our different types of the crop? So discussing this improvement measures, let us divide these improvement measures into three main: crop variety management, crop production management and crop protection management. So these three subtopics will be able to elaborate to all of you about the improvement areas in the production of the different types of the crops in our country. So we are going to discuss this chapter. Probably we will give the detail in the next video, because this video is going to be finished. The time of this video is going to cope up, and I will be able to explain the remaining part, next part of this chapter in the next video, because the chapter is the topic is lengthy and that has to be discussed widely in the next video. So my dear student, till that time wait and you have to see this video. If you like this video, like this video. If you dislike this video, dislike this video. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you, good day and God bless you.